Magandang hapon po ng January 27, 2024 Saturday at ito po mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 27, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, January 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 27, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 48 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 29.7 million pesos for Saturday, January 27, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 27, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.